Ebushafo na ye chiache obi biara esanso ema ahwefo etiefo adofo ganafo nyina ye mo obi biara akwa ba ede eba Attention TV. So you see, we are your most inspirational YouTube channel. Ebushafo, so over your channel, no say you are new to the channel, na so when you subscribe here, and brase kwanso bon homo de na subscribe ni kama emfa ema we subscribe here. Adoma bi wo fon sabo so send be ya. Yenye the video fofo nya betudwa pe. Obenya nkaibon na wo so aba channel so abehwe bi kama mo so mu ni ekokoso e wo ma ngana mu ene amahodo. Ebushafo ebra men say wo bre no yen hye ensem na se na yemfa ema mu. Ebushafo na ye see from na ya hye ensem na se na ye di amomode na ye say yedu akopi mu e was of openya oda asafo a eye Alabaster International Church ano Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro eneyi odensem bi abetudwa enya asem keto enrada ana yedi kan betu udwa se ababo anidi eye MzBel's ono wagidin eyipa e wo man gana mo ne ba bema akokopie mu e wo social media platform yi so na okekankan sembi a ebushafo eye arawo sembi yi papa akoda ketwa sukonoma e kire se ondi nyankopon di na nyankopon bi eni ho na ebra Prophet Kofi Oduro eti sansemi ni buafu yi papa na nsem wa beka ede ato won enya asem kete ebushafo ebra yen sembre yenko yegoti nsem ni bi na yemra
the level of a bususenka share sukonoma no okabususem ne yesusoso se wunu. I mean, imagine something. Say we guide people and shape people and help people for them to be able to come to the place of righteousness. Yeah. And so. You don't need your biological mother or father. This is why I love mission schools. And I have always appealed to government, give back the schools to the church. You have no business with it. Give the mission school, ST0RMED, give it back to the church. What when a Catholic father is you on a headmaster and want to Niema, the Ghana Education Service can do that. I'm telling you, you can't do that. Yeah, but register ye Mauli presence, Father Nixon presence, ye Bismarck presence, ye Dominic presence. Mission school tesa. One go present school o kromuna. Ye both didn't comfort a suit do see who and me for hearing here. Register and yes no. It's not a joke. By the time we have a school no, that chile no, you don't come talking things which you have no idea. My darling, listen to what we are talking about. By the time I will be spreading in force, now when when the enemy comes in like a flood, the Spirit of the Lord will lift up a standard against it. When big tires spreading the word all over that Jews reduction. I'm talking to the wise. Listen to the mind of God. I'm talking to the wise one. You know, to say and come she will say, then I tell you. I'm talking to the wise. Listen to this. More broaching now. Me say, Ukwatinya me asam obem men na me catch now. So be fenya me asam so persuade nyame adwuma be panense munu keka. Ene ade you know asempa anka obi a friend say nyame ni pa na ase wo chire nkwaje kwai so de na no ba ifo ba ikafa pa omo Acts 17 was when you were young ponti as a follower or soon and qua what children quite quite verse 31. Yet children quite quite young kickens. Tia the Americano. Nyankro fat to take was see a sort of Jimmy Guana, you know, Nipa Ababos Rubu Jimmy. I think I didn't Jimmy. We make us so much the third commandment. Upia or Barbara didn't come when you total order. Different Garcia, we are the one man to move our social idea. And our bankrupt also. You know, it's turning to something. Jeremiah chapter 51, verse number 7 was a Babel. Hey, I mean, some sick crew, and a man in there. I don't know, Nancy be into a man and a man about them. Very true. Shenyame. Asaphobia esi baby etena ho ye na djuma le nyankwasia fo ani tire esie da no pata mai me catch South Africa e papa the boy see sorry na komo de woma otam tuo no de na ma sorry there. I pray in the name of Jesus adie bia di ho aba to yenu ma Edom asafro ewo church of Pentecost wo Johannesburg me wom no de shimoche nim sire wo nyame dinsha esi we no bebo yehu said ye jane ntie from the Ghana High Commission wo letter no me bompa ye wo Yesu di mu se ye nya release elder ni no a ora asafo no so mbo Yesu di se nyame brem sane wo ba no efiri sa akwamukafo ne nsamonidifo yi ensam na sida ni Jesus nim en masire yenimu na afagidi ejibe amen so de matese antikristo bibribe ebeba me ka chire mo se o medi mu kinda da wo wi ase baabia abenya antikristo se we ya asore da kabra ni shiwi anu atamtu di akogina asonde tamtu na di akogina asonde ukobokina faso Minim Catholic and sorry wo Burkina Faso omo ya sorry na tu gina ponano e fa bejimi
ebuja for sa pepepe ana ete ha na bede enseminya ebesi edi amomia medi ensemi bromedi ara energy connect makra